Today, I'm going to teach you how to align text and cells in Google Sheets. This is a fundamental formatting skill that helps make your spreadsheets look clean and professional, whether you're organizing data for work or managing personal projects. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your Google credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard where all your files are stored. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to align text and cells. This will open up your document and get you ready to make those formatting changes. Now that your spreadsheet is open, the next step is to select the data you want to align. Click and drag your mouse over the cells containing the text you wish to format. You can select a single cell, multiple cells, or even entire rows and columns depending on what needs alignment. The selected area will be highlighted with a blue border indicating which cells will be affected by your alignment changes. Once you've highlighted your desired data, look up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll notice several formatting options available there. Among these tools, you should see a horizontal line icon. This is your alignment tool. Click on it to reveal the alignment options. A drop-down menu will appear showing three main alignment choices: left, center, and right. Each option serves a different purpose depending on how you want your data to appear. If you want your text to align to the left side of the cells, choose left. This is the default setting for most text and is great for names, descriptions, or any written content. If you prefer your text to be centered within the cells, select center. This option works well for headers or when you want a more balanced, symmetrical look. And finally, if you want your text to align to the right side of the cells, choose right. This alignment is commonly used for numbers or dates to create a clean, organized appearance. The moment you click your chosen alignment option, Google Sheets will instantly apply the formatting to all the cells you selected. There's no need to save manually, as Google Sheets automatically saves your changes in real time. And that's it. You've successfully aligned text in your Google Sheets cells, giving your spreadsheet a more polished and organized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.